All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Adjective. So, easy. Easy. Yeah, easy. Something you can do without much thought, difficulty, or effort. Whew. Effort. Yeah. The route was easy. It was an easy day. Yeah. That was an easy word to teach. They were an easy class. Easy. Yeah. No problem. That was easy money. His job is easy. Her career is not easy. Not easy. Whew. Not easy. Yeah, no way. Yeah. Those were easy times. Back then, things were easy, and we put so little effort into stuff. Easy. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I have an easy day. She wants an easy life. He needs an easy job, for example. They are looking for the easy route. It is an easy machine to understand. Understand how to use it, what to press, things like that. Easy. Yeah. But we could say it was not easy. It was a hard day. Definitely. It was a hard day. How cool is that? Yeah. So, it seems that was an easy test. I thought the questions were easy. Easy. Simple question. Easy. Writing and preparing isn't always easy, yeah. These lessons are easy to record, but they take a while to plan. So they aren't quite easy, but they are easy enough. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So maybe things won't be easy in the future. I doubt things will be this easy forever. Yeah, things might get harder over time, yeah. Enjoy the easy life while you can. Yeah, enjoy it. Ah. Yeah, while you can. How cool is that? So easy. Yeah. Something you can do without much thought. Not difficult or much effort. So climbing the wall is easy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So easy. Now, can you use easy in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.